Got some sound. Got sound here. There we go. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. There we go. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. There we go. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. There we go. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. There we go. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. There we go. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. There we go. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. Got some sound. Got sound in here. 10 seconds. Play 10 seconds. Waiting for an entry. Waiting for an entry. Yep. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. Yep. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. Yep. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. Might take a short here. Yep. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. Might take a short here. Yep. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. Let's fix this. Duplicates. Putting this down. I take a short here. No, separate window. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. Is yes. Duplicates. Like that. Putting this down. I take a short here. No, separate window. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. Is all right, we're trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. No, separate window. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. All right, we're trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. No, separate window. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. All right, we're trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. No, separate window. Waiting for an entry. Yes, Jordan. All right, we're trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. We're trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. We're trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. We're trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. We're trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. Trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. Trying some. We are playing with some new strategies today. Still the same algo. We are adding some new stuff that I'm working on. Trying some. We are playing. Let's try some. Hello. Yeah. Adding some new stuff that I'm working on. I like two audios running. Trying some. We are playing. Let's try some. Hello. Yeah. Adding some new stuff that I'm working on. I like two audios possible. I'll take a little short here. One.
Order filled.
Let's try some. Hello. Yeah. A little entry short. I like two audios possible. It's gonna take a little short here. One.
Order filled.
Let's try some. Hello. Yeah. entry short. I like too short as possible. So easy a little short here. One.
Order filled.
Or I'm out. Entry short. I like too short as possible. Yeah, it's flush. So easy a little short here. One.
Order filled.
Glasses. I'm out. Entry short. I like too short as possible. Yeah, it's flush. So easy a little short here. I can't see shit.
Order filled.
Glasses. I'm out. Entry short. I like too short as possible. Yeah, it's flush. So easy a little short here. I can't see shit.
Order filled.
Glasses. I'm out. Entry short. I like too short as possible. Yeah, it's flush. So easy a little short here. I can't see shit.
Order filled.
Glasses. Record. I'm not a huge fan of this position, but I think we're gonna get it. Entry short. Yeah, it's flush. So easy a little short here. I can't see shit.
Order filled.
Glasses. Record. I'm not a huge fan of this position, but I think we're gonna get it. Probably gonna scalp quick profit on this. Yoink.
Order filled.
No. Wasn't a huge fan of it, but it is gonna keep going down here. I'm just worried it's gonna bounce.
Order filled.
Record. I'm not a huge fan of. Pretty strong move. Waiting for this. Show you what I'm doing here. Oh wow, we got it. That was a hell of a call. Damn it. I could have gotten more out of that. But it's okay. So what I like here is we'll show you. I'm looking at. So we just got this red here on the 5 linear regression. You can see the 30 seconds just getting fucking demolished over here. That was my call on that. I didn't like that. I've been trading longs all morning. I traded this whole uptrend here. So this pullback, I'm trying to find where the area, the price action zone is, but it's knifing it away. So I think we're just going to keep going down here. So yeah, it could be another short here coming in a second. I mean, I could take one now, to be honest. Go short. It's a little flushy, but I like to see the 5-minute cross below the 0 line. If we get that, we'll be in business. This position, but I think we're going to get it. Probably going to scalp quick profit on this. Yoink.
Order filled.
No. Wasn't a huge fan of it, but it is going to keep going down here. I'm just worried it's going to bounce.
Order filled.
Record. I'm not a huge fan of it. Pretty strong move. Waiting for this. Show you what I'm doing here. Oh wow, we got it. That was a hell of a call. Damn it. I could have gotten more out of that. But it's okay. So what I like here is we'll show you. I'm looking at. So we just got this red here on the 5 linear regression. You can see the 30 seconds just getting fucking demolished over here. That was my call on that. I didn't like that. I've been trading longs all morning. I traded this whole uptrend here. So this pullback, I'm trying to find where the area, the price action zone is, but it's knifing it away. So I think we're just going to keep going down here. So yeah, it could be another short here coming in a second. I mean, I could take one now, to be honest. Go short. It's a little flushy, but I like to see the 5-minute cross below the zero line. If we get that, we'll be in business. This position, but I think we're gonna get it. Probably gonna scalp quick profit on this.
Order filled.
Yeah. Wasn't a huge fan of it, but it is gonna keep going down here. I'm just worried it's gonna bounce.
Order filled.
Record, I'm not a huge fan of. Pretty strong move. Fucking professional. Waiting for this. That should show you what I'm doing here. Jordan, I better not see any red on your account today. I know you can hear that hell of a call. Damn it. I could have gotten more out of that. But it's okay. So what I like here is, we'll show you, I'm looking at. So we just got this red here on the 5, linear regression. You can see the 30 second just getting fucking demolished over here. That was my call on that. I didn't like that. I've been trading longs all morning. I traded this whole uptrend here. So this pullback, I'm trying to find where the area, the price action zone is, but it's knifing it away. So I think we're just going to keep going down here. So yeah, it could be another short here coming in a second. I mean, I could take one now, to be honest. Go short. It's a little flushy, but I like to see the 5-minute cross below the zero line. If we get that, we'll be in business. This position, but I think we're gonna get it. Probably gonna scalp quick profit on this.
Order filled.
Yeah. Wasn't a huge fan of it, but it is gonna keep going down here. I'm just worried it's gonna bounce.
Order filled.
Record, I'm not a huge fan of. Pretty strong move. Fucking professional. Waiting for this. That should show you what I'm doing here. Jordan, I better not see any red on your account today. I know you can hear that hell of a call. Damn it. I could have gotten more out of that. But it's okay. So what I like here is, we'll show you. 100 Ks. So we just got this red here on the 5, linear regression. You can see the 30 second just getting fucking demolished over here. That was my call on that. I didn't like that. I've been trading longs all morning.
Business. Look at this audio rights.
I traded this whole uptrend here.
I have to wait for the whole to be over.
Fucking Jordan, I'm trying to find where the area, the price action zone is,
bud.
but it's knifing it away.
Get you there.
So I think we're just going to keep going down here. So yeah, it could be another short here coming in a second. I mean, I could take one now, to be honest. Go short. Let's try. It's a little flushy, but I like to see the 5-minute cross below the zero line. If we get that, we'll be in business.
Desktop.
But I think we're gonna get it. Probably gonna scalp quick profit on this.
Order filled.
Yeah. Wasn't a huge fan of it, but it is gonna keep going down here. I'm just worried it's gonna bounce.
Order filled.
Interesting. I'm not a huge fan of it. Pretty strong move. Waiting for this. That should show you what I'm doing here. Jordan, I better not see any red on your account today. I know you can hear that hell of a call. Damn it. I could have gotten more out of that. But it's okay. So what I like here is,
Interesting.
let's try to
100
Ks. Oh wait, I just got this red here on the 5. Yes, I gotta close that one. I think I'm gonna get this audio figured out. Audio input capture. Now let's put the mic on it. Ooh, it's not showing up. friggin' earpiece one on. Works better than this thing.
Done it? Cool. Yeti stereo microphone. Yay. Alright, let's delete this piece of shit. Ah, there we go. Oh, ooh, we got some action now. Oh, you're gonna like this. Uh-huh. Boom. Booyah, bitch. Alright, audio should be solved. Let's make sure of that. Come on, you fuck. I'm being a piece of shit. Oh, for God's sakes. Alright, we're just gonna reload it. I guess John's back. Cool. Can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Tap tap. Oh yeah, audio's probably not on. Yes, that's probably why. Or maybe not. What the fuck? Let's try it on here. Something's muting me out here. Tap tap. Oh yeah, audio's fine. Oh yeah, audio's probably not on. Yes, that's probably why. I can see shit. What the fuck? Let's try it on here. Something's muting me out here. No, we're good. Funny. Oh, Bill wants to have lunch today, by the way, John. He just texted me. So I don't know what your schedule is today, but we can figure something out. Probably afternoon. I'm going to text you too, in case you're not listening. Fucking Scotty, man. Sure. All right. All right. Scotty, where you at, dude? I sent you a link. I expect you to be responding immediately. A hot market this morning. I have hot open. All right, let's make some fucking dough. So, to give you a little bit of my analysis for whoever's paying attention, here's what I'm doing. We got 5 just crossed the 5-day moving average or the 9-day moving average. I like that bottom there, crossing the 0 line. This is the new addition. We're adding, this is like a Bollinger algo I'm using for confirmation on top of my algo. It's been very effective. So that's our confirmation. We're still positive technically on the 5-minute time frame. So normally I would short this. This would be a typical short for me, or at least a confirmation of a short. Sometimes you get these bounces that I'll run into. But we're using this Bollinger 0 line as final confirmation. So until we get across here, that's not going to get confirmed. It's been effective. It's been very effective in really kind of predicting false breakouts or breakdowns, whatever. You know, sometimes you jump in, you front run it a little too early. So we're going to try to stay away from that. And see, we're going positive here a little bit. And see, that's beautiful. 11-minute time frame, we're getting to cross back up. So if we get a green here on the 32nd, this could actually be another long. This might retrace up to the top here. It might set up a nice long here. It's looking pretty good. If this 32nd here stays green, which it looks like it is, I might take a long on this. I think it's going to run a little hot to the open. So, you know, it'll be a quick scalp, 9:20. I'm not going to hold this past 9:30. But there's definitely something here. I like this a lot. I think we're going to go up here. So I might take a little long here. I'm not going to go nuts. But I'm going to take a little 3-bagger. Because it's just looking really good. So we'll see if we can pull a little something out of it. So I am long NASDAQ, 3 contracts, little guy. And I might be out of it quick because the 1 minute is right on this line. But I think, yeah, we're going to get the pop here. Yep, there she is. There she is. So, yeah, we got a little something. So I'm going to pull that off. Profit is another 165. I'm trading perfect today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if I can show my trades here. How do I pop this out? Positions, trades. Here we go. Add components. Come on, you motherfucker. Don't be annoying. There we go. That's what I want to do. I'll show my trades. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at all that green. That's a master at work right there. I did miss 2. Not perfect. It's like 91%. Some good scalps here, though. Looking really good. I want to keep this on the screen, too, somehow. We can do that. Ish. Put this here. There we go. So we can have it all on one screen. Look at that. Do that right there for now. How do I fucking do that? That's a question. Trading live. I'm so fucking tired. I'm feeling pretty good. Alright, we're gonna blast this out. Do some blasting. There's a link out there. Jesus Christ. Oh, idiot. Pain in the ass. Crazy, dude. Like, dude, I'll like sneeze like 18 times in a row. Like a fucking cat. Crazy. I feel pretty good today, though. Like, I actually got like a good night of sleep last night. Like, really slept good. Like, I couldn't sleep more than like 3 hours, like, for the past fucking week. I probably slept like 7 last night. That was nice. Alright, you fucker. Alright, let's take a look at these patterns. So we're at 9:26. We're gonna wait till 9:30 to do anything here. Oh, fuck. Pull this up. Alrighty. Put myself over here, I guess. That's fine. So, we're definitely like leaning negative here. So not surprising. We got all sorts of issues in the market this week. We got, let's see, government shutdown. We had a hot PC Friday, which, despite what you hear on TV, is actually less likelihood for another rate drop, even though they're still trying to sell this bullshit. I mean, we're not getting any more rate drops this year. They're out of their fucking minds. Like, I'd bank it all on that, but we're not. It's just not going to happen. So I think the market knows that. You know, the real money knows that. That's why you're going to see some sell-offs. I would not be surprised if the NASDAQ absolutely gets wrecked at the open. And it's looking that way. Again, we're going negative here on 5. And Bollinger's starting to go negative. This goes pink here. My algo goes south here on the long-term linear regression. Or the longer linear regression. It's going to get absolutely fucking wrecked. And it's already looking like it's going to get friggin' wrecked. We got 2 minutes to go here. And we'll see. There's no reason to do anything crazy. But yeah, I think we're definitely going to see a significant drop. And of course, naturally, I get the drop that I wanted yesterday on IWM. Yeah, of course. I got fucked on that one. I got fucked on that one. Yeah. I mean, I was actually tired last night. Smoking a bunch of weed. Been helpful. So I was just tired and shit last night. I was finally actually tired. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens here. I think we're going to drop here at the open, but we'll see. We might get a pop drop, or it just might absolutely tank. I'm going to be so mad if IWM breaks below 239 today. I'm going to literally freak the fuck out. Oh my God, it's already at 240. Oh God. I mean, I made such a good call that just got pushed up. Well, we got all sorts of issues with that one. Let's see. All right. Let's see what happens here. We're going to get an explosion here any second. Might be a pop drop. We might get the first green, a clean green. Oh, no. We got sellers. Well, clean green, see if it's a pop drop. I think it's going to be a pop drop. We'll see. Yeah, until we see this 5 below the 0 line, we're not doing shit. Too choppy, but it looks like it's going to roll down to the dark side here pretty quick. Oh, yeah. So this is a short. You know, this is an absolute fucking short here. So we're going to do that. Bye-bye. Below the 0 line here on the 5, kind of our confirmation. We're getting stretched out here on the 1, so it's going to crash and burn. That's easy money. There's another 465 in the bank. That was a quick and easy one. That's how you trade the open. You know, I don't particularly recommend always doing that 9:30 trade, but if you wait for the first 1 minute candle to close, and then you do get obviously an A+, which we had there, you'll get that quick scalp. And again, now I'm not going to enter anything until things smooth out. You know, we're still crazy. I mean, I could have made a fucking ton on that, but you could get a lot of chop when you're crossing 0 lines, but now it's just getting wrecked. You see how, you know, you can get these, you know, little pullbacks here. Move myself here so we can see here on the 1. You know, we got that flush candle, we caught that, again, in and out quick. We saw it coming because we were crossing the 0 line here on the 5. So we know we're going to go negative here. We're 100% going to break this bottom. So you just don't want to get caught in the chop. You know, that's the key. You know, again, we could figure out which way it's going to go, but, you know, when you're playing with prop firms and drawdown, it's like you don't want to kill yourself with drawdown. So you really want to wait for it, you know, but now we're getting what looks like it's going to be a really nice entry here south. So let's go ahead and do that because I really like this for another short here. Really like this for another short. So we're just going to kind of, yep, that's what I wanted to see. I'm doing a couple things at once. I wish I could get all my screens on here. But yeah, we're going to get a nice short here. There we go. Another scalp. go. Another scalp. That was a nice one there. So it's 1758. Look at that drop. Woo, baby. Look at that drop. Get my dumbass face out of here so you can see it. Look at that friggin' thing. And we called it. Again, that was an easy call. Like, I should have made a lot more off that, and I'm probably going to flip over my options account and maybe jump on that. But that's just friggin' beautiful right there. And that was really just basic strategy. You know, again, when you see like the 5 roll over here, you got a freshie here. I mean, it happens every time. You just got to wait for it. You just got to be careful of that old chop. Yeah, like where you guys screw up, or I screw up a lot. Sometimes if you try to front run it, that's when you get in the chop. And you're like, oh no, and you'll be in drawdown. You don't know if you should stop out. You might lose money. You know, you got to wait for that move where you don't get the drawdown. You want to catch the friggin' dagger. What the fuck are they doing outside? Jesus Christ, this place is beautiful, and they're digging the whole fucking place up. I'll be right back.
Well, Pedro didn't go up.
I'll just leave my trades on screen. Yeah. So again, I'm just going to show you guys how to bang through these combines like they're nothing. A little bit of a bounce here. I don't think it's going to be sustained, but it could be. I think it's going to keep dropping here, though. We'll see here. Try to see that. I think it's going to break the bottom. Yeah. Let's see what my algo has to say about it. Yeah, algo has a lot to say about it. The algo says, go short immediately. That's what it just told me. I swear, just like that. Boom. Go short immediately, it says. And there you go. Another 225. So we're at $2,000 for the day. Which is, and Jordan, if you're still listening, were you telling me that they let you pass combines in one day? Who was telling me that? Or is it still the 2-day shit? I mean, I don't care. I'll just make 3,000 a day and then do another 1,500 tomorrow. But in any case, Look at this thing fucking drop. Beautiful fucking move here. I don't want to force another short here just yet. Oof, I mean, I could. Shit. Yeah, we'll probably get a little something, something. Yep, we got some buyers there. Come on, we got some buyers. Are they going to bounce? Are we? Nah, we're going to keep going down. Yeah, we're going to keep going down here. I just get nervous at these bottoms. You know, it just took a big move down. I mean, it's still going. This thing's just getting annihilated. Nasdaq's having its day today, I guess. Russell's moving up. That's crazy. Oh, shit. I'm tired, man. Yeah, we're gonna get a bounce. You think a bounce? I'm gonna show you how to play a reversal move because we won't be getting one here. So you gotta do it off the 30-second time frame. So you gotta get a double green. You need a green here. You know, you're going against the algo on a reversal because it can take a minute for the algo to catch up. This is where you get some big moves. So if we get that green there and it sustains, I'll go long and I'll take that scalp long. Catch that move. The only way you can do it. You know, if you try to jump in it now, it's too risky. You're killing yourself with risk. You know, yeah, it's a bigger move. Yeah, it's nice to hit those whole big moves, but it's better. I'd rather trade a lock that's half the size and guarantee myself some profit. You know, and if the algo goes green here on 30-second, probably catch it. If you want to get ballsy, you can do it on a 15-second too. That's the ballsier way to do it. So in theory, if we catch another green here, it's the only way to do it. And again, you're taking a lot of risk with them, but you got to accept it for what it is. So I'm going to do a little quick long. See if we get it. See, this is the risk that you take. We might get it. Let's see if the volume sustains. Oh, we might. We might. It's trying. Don't necessarily like this trade. We're still, let's watch this 15. That's all we gotta do is watch this 15. If 15 goes south on me here, I gotta get rid of it quick. And that's probably what I'm gonna do. You know what? I'm probably just gonna trim this fucking loss. Yeah. Still like right there. We might get a little something. I'm not liking it. It's getting weak, quick. We might get a little pop here, though. Just a quick one. If we get out quick. I hate these. This is such a bad trade. Yeah, that's it. If we broke even on that trade, that's it. Well, 45 though. That's fine. I didn't like that. Did not like that trade. It's going to go down. That's just not a strong reversal there. I think it's going to fall apart. But we'll see. But again, it's all based on this 15-second time frame right here. And it's the only time you should be using the 15-second time frame for any step down pattern. It's definitely going to roll down here. We're about to get green on 15-second again. That's going to be a new entry. We're definitely going to get entry down here. So I'll take a short. Make up for that nonsense. I don't like this one either. It is going to reverse here. God damn it. All right, I'm staying out of this. There's no good entries here. All trash. Possible long for a little quick pullback. But maybe the VWAP at best. Maybe. Can't touch it here. Yeah, it's just going to probably pull up here away for the short. Because it's looking negative today. Everything's looking negative. So we'll get a real nice short on the next trade here. Let's see what happens. I think it's going to pop right off VWAP. Man. Pretty nice reversal there, though. I had it right the first time. Never second guess yourself. Rule number one, but it's going to probably plow off this. All right, if we get, here's the thing, we get another red on the 15-second, this thing is fucking gone. Because we're still very negative. Yeah, 1 minute's getting a little bit positive on the Bollinger here, but let's see if it bounces. It could just, we could just get into some wild chop here. Let's see, Russell went positive, Dow's positive. Shit. It's crazy. I mean, it's positive now. We're positive on the algo. Just like that. I might consider a long here. Just not because it's by the open price. Only if it breaks it. Yeah, it's going to crash and burn. Still green on the 15-second. Can't touch it. Unless it breaks below this Darvis box and goes negative. You can't touch it. But if it does, we'll have something. 5 minutes, still negative. So we might get a nice short setup like we planned for. This will be the big one. This will be a big short if it comes. It'll be about a, yeah, looks like a 30-pointer. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. This might be the one. Come on, give me one blink red. One blink red. No, not quite. Almost. Just tap the bottom in a 15-second. This could be a long. Be shocked, but their news at 10 o'clock. That's probably what's making this choppy. Flash another green or a 15-second. I'll scalp along. There she is. Give me that short, please. Give it to me. It's going to be massive. Yeah, we're getting a short here. Yep. Big short. Big short. Oh, yeah, it's going to be monstrous. Monstrous! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! 1185. What a comeback that was. That's why you don't trade and chop. You got to wait for the bomb. So I just wasted money there. A waste. Oh, God, market's fucking crashing and burning. Holy shit. Look at the Russell. Russell is getting whack-a-dude. Not surprised. We knew we were going to get a major friggin' pullback this week. Of course, I'm not positioned for it. I like that move there. That was beautiful. Oh, shit. All right. Well, I accomplished my goal, so I have the combine done. So that's ready to go. There's really no more money to be made on this one. So we'll finish this one tomorrow. But that was a beautiful short there. And we knew that short was going to be huge. I always said, I was like, this is going to be a monster. Oh, beauty there. But again, just patience. Because again, those three red trades I have there should not have happened. That's just, again, doing this 7 years, I still make mistakes too. That's just, you get antsy. It's all mental. You got to be so disciplined. You got to be like military fucking disciplined. You really do. I mean, that's the most important thing. Because it's just a waste. You got to wait for those confirmations. Like, your strategy. You got to stick with it. Let's see what the tilt says. Let's see what the Topstep traders have to say. So Topstep traders are still 56% long on NQ. And that right there should show you why I'm so good, why you guys are going to be so fucking good, and why the algo is so fucking nasty. Because these idiots, more than half of them, think the market's going to recover from this. It's not. It's not. It's going to break this bottom and it's going to get fucking wrecked. But it just shows you, people don't know what the fuck they're doing. You're just slowly watching the NASDAQ get fucking murdered here. It's going to break this bottom, and it's going to tank. And you see the sell volume is enormous. All right, hold on, let me mute my microphone because I'm going to say some bad words. Oh.